Welcome to the NJIT website and math podcast. My name is Amin. Today I will be covering like radicals. Like radicals are two radicals that have the same index and the same radicand. The best way of understanding like radicals is just by doing problems. So let's go straight into an example. Let's say we have radical 45 plus 7 radical 20. We need to find the prime factors of 45 and 20. The first prime factor of 45 will be 5 because 45 ends in a 5. This gives us a 9. The prime factors of 9 are 3 and 3. So 5, 3, and 3 are the prime factors of 45. Now the first prime factor of 20 will also be 5 because 20 ends in a 0. This gives us a 4. Factors of 4 are 2 and 2. 5, 2, and 2 are the prime factors of 20. So now we're going to have radical 3 squared times radical 5 plus 7 times radical 2 squared times radical 5. Notice radical 5 is common in both expressions. So let's factor it out. By factoring out, we get radical 5 times radical 3 squared plus 7 radical 2 squared, which will equal radical 5 times 3 plus 14, which will equal 17 radical 5. Now let's do another example. Say we have 5 times cube root of 80x minus 3 times the cube root of 270x. Now we won't need to break it up into its prime factors because we can see right away that 10 is common in both. So let's factor out a 10 from both 80 and 270. We're left with 8, which breaks up into 2 and 4, and then 4, which breaks up into 2 and 2. And for 270, we have 27, which breaks up into 3, and 9, which breaks up into 3 and 3. Notice there are 3 3's and 3 2's, and we can take the cube root of these. So we're going to have 5 times the cube root of 2 cubed times radical cube root of 10x minus 3 times the cube root of 3 cubed times the cube root of 10x. So 10x is common in both expressions, so let's factor that out. We get radical cube root of 10x times 5 times the cube root of 2 cubed minus 3 times the cube root of 3 cubed. That's going to give us cube root of 10x times 5 times 2 minus 3 times 3, which will give us cube root of 10x times 10 minus 9, which is simply the cube root of 10x. Thank you for visiting the NJIT website. If you need further assistance, stop by the CAPE, Kufrian Hall, room 200. Good luck in your studies.